You have a stack of
Oh, in a
torches.
diagonal line. Oops. I'm a scrub.
Scrub!
Shut up.
You said it.
Okay,
I
so me and Pat competition to build a Christmas tree.
I will help as well.
You can join in the competition if
I
you
will
want.
join in the competition.
Oh gosh, we've invited the tryhard. Never mind. No.
I think it should just be me and Pat because otherwise you will win, Cal.
Can I try?
You try.
And then be like...
Yeah, you're gonna try very hard.
Can I be excluded from judging?
No.
Alright, okay, you can make one as well, but yours doesn't get judged. Deal?
Okay. I just want to make stuff.
All of those of you who have not watched our block and load.
You're an idiot. You just
What's-
disclosed.
What's that thing we do?
Build battle.
Bill Battle. Those of you who have not watched Bill Battle, go and watch that and you will see what we're talking about. When you self-promote your other YouTube videos on
I
your
know.
own YouTube channel.
We're so shameless. We don't even care.
Oh my gosh.
That is
These trees are bald now.
that is the level of proness that we're at. I don't even have an axe and I need an axe. Why is there a floating tree?
Just
here?
hit it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Just hit it.
La 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 la.
Go
Oh,
to
I feel like shoes.
la 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 la.
an axe would be nice. This is really boring.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may want to lower your volume.
Those of you using headphones, I am sorry.
I'm dying.
Okay, right. Actually, I think I'm gonna get more wood. I'm gonna get more wood, guys.
Calum
more wood.
getting wood.
I'm getting wood.
That's no surprise there.
I know, it's nothing we're not used to.
Oh look, I've already made my Christmas tree.
I think we should make a YouTube series about punching wood.
That
In
should be
Minecraft,
the
obviously.
name of the series. Just
It shall
punching
be on an anonymous
Wait, what
website.
will we call it?
Punching wood
Punching wood.
with Shuffle Productions.
Punching wood with Shuffler Productions.
Punching with Pat.
Punching with Pat, because Pat's a samurai. He's a ninja.
Okay. Accept it.
It's true. Did you not know that?
I didn't. Thank you for informing me.
No problem.
He's just laughing.
Yeah. What am I doing? Why am I still a scrub at this?
Because, Patrick, you were born that way.
Excuse me. Says the
You were
level
just
10
Born a scrub.
mages.
Says the guy who's never built anything but a pair of shears
Shut up.
before.
Actually, I built flint and
I don't
steel.
even know
Flint
how
and steel,
to
that
make
was
a
your first
Christmas
thing, your
tree.
weapon of destruction. Oh, his music just come in for you guys.
No, it has like such a long break in between.
I understood
music.
that, every word.
Oh my goodness, my Christmas
like
tree
to
is
say
gonna
it.
be
I'm
tired
shocking
right now,
bad.
okay? Should have seen me. Should have heard me last night. I was slurring my words.
Oh, when we were playing that thing that we're not gonna say
Yeah.
because that will come.
Hint: there's green Jesus in it.
There's no what in it.
There's green Jesus in it. Green Jesus.
I don't understand.
Justin
To
Timberlake.
all those that play, will get it. They'll get what we mean.
all
which
those
is
20,
probably-
all those 20 people that watch our
All
videos.
those.
None of them play. Ooh, I think
Probably none of them do play it. Yeah.
it's quite funny, actually.
Oh, I can't place blocks on the wall.
Okay. Right.
We're probably humming it like us. Okay, I'm not gonna talk anymore.
How does one Christmas tree?
You place a Christmas tree up thy butt.
What?
Nothing. Nothing.
Have you try putting it up your butt?
Can you play that game where we
We say up your butt after every statement.
after every statement that counts
No.
up your butt.
My Christmas tree looks like a pyramid.
Up
Up
your
your
butt.
Oh my gosh.
I like how I can see Pat's screen and all I can see is him creating the exact tree he's just chopped down. It's ridiculous. Like he's just recreating it. It's the exact same
No,
thing.
mine's gonna be amazing.
I'm gonna put mine somewhere special.
Up your butt.
Patrick, where's your tree?
Up your butt.
No, look, I've made a present for you to put underneath your tree.
Up your butt.
Oh, okay.
Because do you want to see it?
Sure. Oh, that's cute. Put it
It's where do you want me to put it?
up your butt.
Oh my gosh.
You know what? You are getting this present. You are getting this
And you're
present.
getting it right
You
up your
will
ass.
get this present.
Oh, I just made it so uneven.
Where shall I put
It's
it?
fine. It looks better than mine.
I'm gonna make an axe because
Up your butt.
I can't be bothered
Up your butt.
chopping.
Can we just destroy the Nether portal?
No.
No, we had another fortress right there. We can't.
Oh, that's
destroy
true.
it.
Actually,
Does that have some substantial meaning, or?
Well, it's like all.
okay.
the
I'm gonna
woods,
keep working on my tree,
Although it's
and then I can put down presents for Patrick later.
bombs.
Calum, do you want to see what my present looks like?
Yes. Oh dear.
Calum,
If it's anything dirty.
Calum,
Oh. Oh. See if
read
I
the
would-
label.
Shut up.
Anyways, right.
Looking forward to seeing that in action.
My present is actually the best present, Pat. You will love it.
It's right up your street.
It is
Right
right,
up
up
your
your
butt.
street. Right. Yes. Yes. That's one. I forgot what I was going to do. Yes, there we go. That is what I was going to do.
Hardcore,
guys.
parkour, rock it down to the floor.
Okay. I didn't know you had a raving emo side to you.
Didn't you? It's the side I like to show.
It's the side he shows the most.
It is. It's the side I show up my butt the most.
Up your butt. Right, my tree's really uneven.
If you want to see my tree, just come around the other side, Pat,
Oh.
and you can get some.
Audience, who wants to see Calum's tree?
I know someone who does.
Thank you. I'm here all week. All episode.
Oh, I need more leaves.
My tree is terrible. It really is terrible.
Up your butt.
It's terribly up your butt.
I hate you guys.
I love your giggle, Pat. It's the greatest.
Oh,
Patient through
this video is
stuff.
literally 3 guys building trees after cutting down multiple ones.
We're feeling Christmassy. I'm still cutting down. I've not even started.
Oh, the temptation right now is so.
What are you doing?
No, don't.
Don't do it. Don't do
It
it.
was quite even.
Pat, Calum, don't deliver your present.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I don't know.
What time? How long
Let's-
has it been?
Let's go and sleep.
Actually, do you wanna?
Yeah,
Well,
'cause it's nighttime.
A bunny just came up to me.
Nah, it's uneasy, right?
Did you know that? No, it's not normal.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Did you know
'cause we
that
run into zombies in there?
1 in every 1,000 bunnies will attack you?
I knew that because I got attacked by 2. Remember on that server we were on before?
Oh, that was ages ago.
That was forever. I
That was-
spawned
that
in and
was
was
forever
immediately
ago.
killed.
Yeah, that was almost like a year
3
ago.
years.
Yeah.
Oh, Pat's tapped out.
Anyway,
How to make TNT.
Oh my gosh, Patrick, really?
Let's just.
Pat, get to bed.
yeah, Pat, get to bed.
Sorry, I just.
Get to
need-
bed. Come on.
I'm giving you guys a present as well.
Oh, he's already made you a present.
What's his
What?
present?
4 sandblocks. Okay. Nothing. 4 sand. Oh, I'm
my
missing one
present, Calum, is,
gunpowder. FS. Need to kill some crawlers.
Anyway, we're asleep, aren't we? So we should
Crawlers.
be sleeping. La la.
No,
la, la, la,
creepers, I
la,
mean.
la,
Ugh.
la.
Wow.
That-
Nope.
Pat, go to
that's.
bed.
No, I just found a creeper. Sorry, 1 second. Just.
Did you know in Fallout 4, right?
Lols. Grub.
How'd you even spell scrub? I had a mole. I had a dilemma there. I was like, what?
Scrub.
Scrub.
No, don't explode. Oh, you exploded.
Well, you didn't get your. Just get to bed.
I just,
Yeah,
Stop
Patrick,
making holes
come
in
to
the
bed.
floor. With creepers.
Come to bed,
Up your butt.
Patrick. Come
your
to
butt.
bed.
Just
This is so
get in
sexual right
bed.
It wasn't until you said
Guys,
that.
It's
it wasn't until you
warm.
said that.
And comfy, and we're there.
Yeah.
And-
yeah.
Like, oh gosh.
No,
don't-
get in your own bed.
Get your own bed, son.
Oh man.
When you can't even spell scrub.
leave
Right.
bed.
Okay.
Right, I'm gonna go make my tree. Finally.
I'm gonna go.
Um,
Well,
Dashing through the snow.
On a 1-horse open sleigh.
Well,
This
feels
is
we go.
copyright.
shut up.
Probably.
Nice.
Unless if we don't hit a note right, which we don't even
Oh, there's
know.
a zombie. He's
This
sitting in the water.
is copied. Oh, wait, what? The jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
Bells.
Now we can sing the rest of the song. Jingle bells, jingle bells. This is not copyright. Thank you.
Why is there a giant hole down here? Oh, hey, Pat.
No.
Up your butt.
Pat.
Why is there a giant hole up your butt? What?
I screamed like such a girl there.
What
Was there a
was
crawler? A
Crawler.
crawler?
It was
Stop
a
calling them crawlers!
Sorry, no,
a creeper followed me down into your
Scrib.
hole.
Scrib.
I'm gonna go mining. I don't know. I just
Oh, have
need
you just
to.
given up? Well, like let's rate the trees.
No, I just.
Oh
need-
wait, I've not even started mine
Yeah,
yet.
no, I just need to find some gravel, so I can find a certain thing that happens.
He wants... Wow. Yeah, keep searching for gravel.
Why
There's
am
a
I-
white bunny that keeps looking at me. I ain't got no carrots for you. Oh, you ain't got no carrots? What you
I
after?
just want gravel. The one time I want gravel while
There's
mining,
Why'd you
gravel on
want
the
gravel?
surface.
so I can get
TNT. 'Cause
flint.
that's not gonna help. It's not gravel you want, Pat. Hate to break it to you. It's gunpowder.
Stop throwing me!
Scrub.
Oh no! I set myself on fire.
Scrib.
So, is that what you want gravel for?
No.
Yeah. Why do you want gravel? Do tell.
I don't want any gravel.
Yeah, you do.
For what purpose?
I don't.
I'm a perfectly innocent man.
Patrick, why aren't you coming out the hole?
I'm coming out the hole. You whore.
Guys, do you think you can make... Get in. Pat, Calum, are you there? Are you
we're
outside?
We're outside.
Can you see me?
No.
Stop using
on
my
the
own weapon
foundation
against me!
Foundation of my... Turn around, turn around. Look up in the sky.
Where are you?
In the sky.
You're in the sky.
Yeah. Just go out the front of the house and look up in the sky.
Oh, I see you.
Hey. Let's get him in my
Oh,
tree.
Pat, you've got to come see this. He's actually going to make the
I'm
most
gonna jump.
amazing Christmas tree we're ever
gonna
going to
jump.
see, probably. And ours are going to look terrible.
Guys, I'm gonna
FS, right. I'm gonna go
done
back
with-
to
I'm done
I'm
with
gonna go back to
Minecraft.
making a tree.
I'm finished with life. I just want to end it.
Don't do it, Calum.
I'm
Do
jumping.
it, do
Don't
it,
do
do
it.
it, do
I'm
it, do it,
Ah!
do it. Just kidding.
Oh, you actually died.
I told you I was gonna do it.
I thought you were going to jump into the water, but no, you actually died.
Yeah, I didn't jump far enough. Oh well. Ow. Bro, what?
I'm sorry. I feel like Patrick right now. Like, I just
Where
tried.
exactly did I die?
I just tried to set Patrick on fire, and
Oh,
now
I
I'm
see.
attacking you with my sword. And
That was such a dramatic death. I'm so sorry. We should not make some light of
Pat, are you
suicide.
excited to get this present?
Yeah, me too.
Pat, you
What?
just made it. You just made something, and you didn't make it properly.
Yes, I did.
Jingle
But you just dropped stuff on the floor.
Oh, that's fine. That's for
I
no
picked it up
purpose.
for you.
Jingle
You have to tidy up.
way.
You have to tidy up after yourself in Minecraft.
My boots took an absolute pounding after that fall.
I'm not surprised. Okay. I hope everyone has enjoyed coming back on Minecraft with us all. We have enjoyed it. We're gonna we'll finish our Christmas trees and we will judge them all next time. We'll hand out our presents to each other in the next episode. So we will see you all next time. Goodbye.
Bye. I burped.
Bye.